SoHo Dragon presents PDF88, the M365 web-based PDF markup tool that saves you time and frustration by editing and marking up any PDF file in SharePoint, MS Teams, and OneDrive. No desktop installation required, and seamless integration to M365. Save PDFs directly to OneDrive and Teams. Experience simultaneous PDF editing with multiple users. Mark up comments and highlights, view controls, monitor and track compliance and workflow processes, and even convert the PDF to a form. Redact, shapes, stamps, and sign documents without ever leaving SharePoint. With competitive pricing, PDF88 can save you money without sacrificing pro features. We offer a 30-day free trial, zero commitment, zero risk. Fully leverage your Microsoft 365 subscription with PDF88. Need custom features to fit your needs? We'd love to work with you. Speak with SoHo Dragon today.